Hey G Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? So you guys remember I actually reviewed this product last time. I want to test it out a little bit more to see how it works after a while. And it's probably been like a week or so now, and it actually still works really well. Audio wise, really nice. Bass is still definitely there. Like I said in the previous video, it's not as good as other headphones I've tested, but it's much cheaper than other headphones I've tested. So what you're paying for is literally what you're getting out of it. You guys want to play your music, you guys can control all that on here, turn on the device on here as well. Press this button to stop and play the music, press the up and down button to turn up the volume and turn down the volume. But you guys can see, so if I just click on the button, I can start and stop it. So everything about this is really easy and really nice to use. The headphones, you guys can turn left and right. The padding on the ear pad is really nice as well. We used it for a long period of time at work for like 8 hours, and it actually feels really nice even if you use it for a long period of time, because the design on this is actually really comfortable. And then when I tested out the mic on here, if you guys look on the side right here and here, there's a mic on there. So let me focus for you guys. So if you guys use the mic right there, the mic is actually really clear. So you guys can use this to make calls if you guys want to as well. And then charging this product doesn't take that long either. If you guys want to use the full 25 hours of this product, all you have to do is charge it for 2.5 hours, and it's enough to listen for 25 hours. And then if you guys want to just listen for 2 hours, all you have to do is charge it for 5 minutes, because it has a quick charge technology on here where you guys can charge it for 5 minutes and it's enough for 2 hours. So if you guys just need it for 2 hours, then bam, 5 minutes is all you need. So now that we went over the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it after a week. Honestly, for me, I have to say that after testing it for a week and using it every day almost, in the office and at home, it's actually really nice. Like for $60 to $65 for this, it's pretty reasonable for what you guys getting out of it. The portability, the audio, the bass, the comfort, everything about this, the amount of time it takes to charge the product, and how long it actually lasts. That you're getting the whole package on here for the price. So really nice. So I do highly recommend getting one of these if you guys need one, or you guys need any kind of Bluetooth headphone, active noise cancellation headphone. Feel free to check any of my videos out, and you guys can see which one you guys like more and then choose from that. Like how I say in all my videos, if you guys don't need this or don't have any use for this, or just don't think you guys want one or need one, then obviously don't buy it and save your money for something else that you guys actually do need. But other than that, that's much it for the little unboxing and testing and update video about this product. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day, we have